Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi has no internet access issue on your Xiaomi phone. This is a common problem often caused by incorrect settings or network glitches. Let's get started. Solution 1. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to the Settings app on your phone, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap Forget Network. Then confirm your action. Make sure to remember your password because you will need to connect to your Wi-Fi again after this. So reconnect your Wi-Fi and check your issue. Solution 2. Enable static IP address. Open your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on IP settings. Select it to static, then scroll down, select the IP address to 192.168.1.150. You can use any number between 100 and 200 instead of 150 at the end of the IP address. Then change the router or gateway to 192.168.1.1. Make sure to set the prefix length to 24 as well. After that, on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once you're done, go to the DNS2 section, type 8.8.4.4. After that, hit the check mark at the top and see if your problem is fixed or not. If that did not fix the problem, then come back here and this time on the DNS1 section, type 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2 section, type 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit the check mark at the top to confirm your action. Solution 3. Check data and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause functionality issues. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Additional Settings. Select Date and Time. Now make sure to enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. If they are already enabled, turn them off and then back on again for the settings to refresh. Now check if the Wi-Fi connects now. After this, hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's how you fix the Wi-Fi has no internet access issue. Let me know if these solutions work for you or if you need any more help.